Thank you for purchasing an ILT2400 light meter. Before you begin, take a minute to verify that you have all of the items noted on your order. Cal certs may be placed outside of the case. Filters and optics may be pre-assembled onto your detector or inside the slots of the carrying case. Before turning on the ILT2400, you must first connect the sensor. ILT smart sensors are only read during the startup routine. Be sure to check your battery level periodically and recharge or use plugged in when necessary. ILT recommends using meter or trend for initial familiarization with the ILT2400. Note, when the system leaves the factory, it should be set to use Smart Detector Factor On, and calibration factors should already be stored for you. However, it is a good practice to verify both new and updated calibrations before use. We recommend initial testing with factory settings. However, some customers prefer to skip the home page and go directly to their favorite application. Modify the graph style to a line or bar graph, and turn on or off scientific notation. Be sure to save your settings before exiting the settings menu. Display units changes both the unit's label and the value shown above and inside the readout's display. You can toggle between light level, current, transmission, and optical density. Once the units are selected, you can save your preference using the Save Settings in the Settings menu. The meter has a built-in factory zero, but also allows the user to zero to the environmental conditions by covering the sensor or the test lamp while zeroing. Integrate sums up the total dosage and changes the display units shown above the display accordingly. For example, milliwatts becomes millijoules. Hold simply stops the numbers shown on the display from changing. It does not stop the values from changing in any other process, such as integration or recording. Record and single value capture save readings to the internal memory, which can be viewed using the Files menu on the home screen or by exporting to a PC. The amount of data points saved while recording is based on the recording interval chosen in settings. For example, 1 reading per minute. Min and max can be used to quickly determine the deviation without having to save and export readings. First set to min, then set to max, and quickly analyze the two values. There are many great applications within the ILT2400 and also in our complementary PC-based software, Datalight 3. Please be sure to check the ILT website for more videos about the ILT2400 and our Datalight 3 software.